They just came here only passing their time. Firstly,
Yes.
what happened with us, whenever we started to make a sentences, firstly, we think it in our mother tongue. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
converted from our mother tongue like a Hindu to English.
Yes. I am Vikram, sir. I am Vikram from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
I have completed my diploma of pharmacy from Kalanikitan Polytechnic College. Now I am working in the government hospital as a pharmacist under the government pharmacist for a internship. 90 days internships are compulsory after completing diploma pharmacy. I will pursue B Pharma since August 2021. My hobbies is listen Adhyatmic song and watch some conversation in the morning, meditation. And what about you, sir?
Yeah, fine. Yeah. I am introducing myself. I am Mohammed. I am from Kolkata. Nowadays, yeah, I am trying to enhance my French in English. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Why did you join this kind of platform? What kind of problem do you have?
Sir, I have a problem in I can join this Skype because I improving my English because I am from a Hindi medium student. So on that I when I spoke, so I stuck. So I joined this app. So and I have other side. I have no friend for conversation with him. So because there is a place, I'm a rural boy, so I have no, and there is no environment to talk with anyone. So I have so I search from any partnership for speaking, sir, this. So that is my problem. So
Do you feel any kind of problem regarding the English? Yeah, I don't have the proper vocabulary, or I don't have the knowledge of the grammatical portion or something like that. Did you have any kind of problem? This what
no, in
I
the
told earlier.
yes, in the grammar I have no problem, but I know very well about grammar, but I have not any partner for practicing. So my practices are less, so I not properly speak. So now I am working my practicing
You
for
want to get fluency, right? And
yes,
whatever you whatever you wanted to say, speak it in clear manner.
yes, sir.
Whenever we started to talk, speak it in a proper manner.
Yes, sir.
When anybody asks you a question, before giving him or her your answer, what you can do before giving answer, take a pause, take a fraction of set, deep breath, inhale it, exhale it, so that you can give the answer in proper way, in the proper manner.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we want to talk anything to anybody, in our sentences there must be some comma, there must be some full stop. Do it in proper way. I'm not giving you advising, but if you obeying this kind of rules, then you will be much more better whatever you are nowadays. And you, if you apply this kind of rules and regulations in your speech,
Yes, sir.
and I will giving you the guarantee, after having some conversation, you can evaluate yourself. That is the way. And we all are practicing in this field, and like this way we can evaluate ourselves. And you
Yes,
must be, yeah, and we must be passionate about our destination.
yes,
And we must will have some strong desire to reach our goal. Not like that some people are there in this platform. They just came here only passing their time.
yes, sir.
Not like that. You are in a job. If you have this kind of fluency with you, then you can apply the better job.
Yes, sir.
That is the way. And
Yes, sir.
when I just started to my journey last 2 months or 2.5 months ago, if you have a look in my YouTube channel also, at the time of talking, I just started to stammering. I just started to fumbling. I used to talk like you.
Yes, sir.
Just started to talk धड़ 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 अरे भाई जितना है बोल दो भाई पहले बोलना है हमको not like that. You gain your thought in your mind,
Yes, sir.
make some sentence structure and throw it in proper way, in proper manner, so that who is front of me, he also observed you in proper way.
Yes, sir.
That's the way. And yes, tell me.
So I will try, and I spoke my English. So when I spoke, so I gather thoughts in my mind, and I speak in a very way. So that's points is comes in my
Mind.
spoken. Yes.
And nowadays you are starting your working like this, your spoken English. Apart from that, what did you do regarding this spoken English?
Yes, sir.
Apart from conversation, in which part you are working nowadays for improvement your English part? Like reading, like watching, like listening.
Yes, sir. I listen some conversation on YouTube, and I read newspaper daily. And when I read newspaper, so some vocabularies I not understand in my mind. So I Google it and note down in notebook. Then after I mean in Google in Hindi.
When we are starting our journey, firstly you watch the movies or something like that with subtitle because they are pronouncing in the other way.
Yes.
Like we pronouncing girl, but they are telling like this girl. They their way to talking like mix up all sentences. That's why
Yes.
I am advising you. Firstly, when you started to watching this kind of movies with subtitle, so that we can understand what they are saying.
Yes, sir.
And when you get properly, then you can skip the subtitle, and you can watch the movie without subtitle. There is no problem.
Yes, sir. In the beginning, I watch conversation in with subtitle, but after that, I'm not watch with subtitle because I understand who is saying front of me. So I'm listening from before 6 month after 6 month before. So my listening is good, but my spoken is not good. But I'm trying to best day by day. So it will be improved sometimes after.
You can say yeah, I am taking the listening part in a good manner, and I can understand each and everything, but at the time of talking I started to stammer.
Yes, sir.
That's the main problem. I have also the same problem, and I had also the same problem because at the time of talking, whatever I spoke to earlier, whatever I told to earlier, because at the time of talking, the proper vocab is not coming in my mind.
Yes, sir.
That's why I am telling you, uh, hold your breath when you started to talk,
Yes, sir.
so that give some time to your brain, so that brain thought this kind of words from It inner part, and it comes to your mouth automatically.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Don't,
understand.
don't, don't hurry. Don't hurry. That's
Yes.
why I'm telling, before telling anything, take a deep breath, give your brain little bit of fraction of second time, so that when we started to talk, we can make a skeleton of sentence structure in our mind, and it will come automatically to our mind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Our thought process and speaking process both are not equal. Speaking process is faster than thought process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why
So
I'm telling to you, hold
think,
your tongue. Yeah, yeah,
so
you
first
are telling.
think and make sentence in mind, then after speak.
Sorry, I didn't catch your last one. I
So,
didn't catch your last one. Yeah, tell me what you
so
are telling
first
something.
we think about in brain and make sentence in mind, then after we speak.
Yeah, yeah. And it will, after having some conversation, I am guaranteed to you, it will become automatically.
Yes, sir. So when we speak, so first of all, so we can practice ourselves and front of camera. So our brain mechanism is work to in English language.
Exactly.
That is a,
Whatever, English is our second language.
yes.
And
This is not,
you are like you are from Hindi medium. I am from Bengali medium. Firstly,
yes.
what happened with us, whenever we started to make a sentences, firstly we think it in our mother tongue. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
converted from our mother tongue like a Hindu to English. But
Yes, sir.
after having some conversation, having some month, after some month, you can speak in the proper manner. You can, it will come automatically. I can say it will come your mind automatically. Then you will not give that much of effort to translate from Hindi to English.
Yes, sir.
This is the way. And you,
Yes.
whatever you said to earlier, yeah, I wrote it down some vocabs in my notebooks so that we can practice this kind of words in our next conversation. You can do one thing, I will advise you. I am also doing the same way. Whatever you new vocab you obtain from anywhere, write it down in your notebook and make some sentences with this kind of words,
Yes, sir.
and try to use these words on the next conversation or next day. Not like that, yeah, I have some words or vocabs in my diary or my notebook, and I will use it when?
Yes, sir.
Use it on the next day. Use one or two words, not like the whole words, whatever you obtain from anywhere.
Yes, sir. So we cannot use verb. So after that, sometimes after, so we don't remember of this word. We cannot use, but we can
Yeah,
use verb, so we can learn properly, and he comes in brain permanently.
exactly. You can use this kind of words 2 or 3 days. When
Yes,
you used to this kind of words, left it. Then come another word. You
yes, sir.
started to use this kind of words next 2 or 3 days, next 2 or 5 days.
Yes, sir.
While you get a grab to this kind of words, left aside and come another one. In this way, you can use the new words also and
Yes,
use it,
yes, sir.
and read a book lots. Lot of books you can read. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, you are a good guy. I've seen it. Yeah, I have heard all these things. You have maintained so many things.
Yes, sir.